St. Catherine Cricket Club and Kingston Cricket Club will contest the final of the Jamaica Cricket Association Super 50 Championship following the conclusion of the semi-final round on Sunday. St. Catherine CC secured their place in the championship match after recording a 51-run win over Melbourne at Kensington Park. Batting first, last year's winners were bowled out for 239 in 43.3 overs. Pete Salmon was the top scorer with 47. He got support from Carlos Brown 39 and Doreen Williams 30. 6 of the wickets went to left-arm seamers as Shalom Parnell claimed 3 for 32 and Carrie Campbell 3 for 61. In their run chase, the pair of Chadwick Walton 52 and Hussein Northover 24 gave Melbourne a solid start at 80 without loss before they lost 10 wickets for 108 runs. Abhijay Mansingh 45 not out and Parnell 43 were the only other batters into double figures. Salmon returned to bag 5 for 29, while West Indies on a 19 spinner Vital Laws took 2 for 51. Vital Scouts Kingston CC had defeated St. Elizabeth CA by 3 wickets in their semi-final on Saturday.